Are you thinking of buying a new iPhone? Are you unsure if the iPhone is the right fit for you? Perhaps you're seeking a phone that offers greater customizability or superior battery life compared to the iPhone. Stick around because we've got a lot to cover, from the top Android phones on the market to unique open market options that could be your perfect smartphone solution. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're delving into the exciting world of Android as we explore some incredible alternatives to the new iPhone. iPhones have unquestionably made their mark in the smartphone world with each new release, generating a buzz that electrifies the tech community. However, in this video, we're about to show you that, while iPhones are fantastic, variety is the spice of life. We'll introduce you to some impressive Android alternatives that might make you reconsider your smartphone choices. Now let's kick things off with our first alternative to the new iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This smartphone is packed with features that make it stand out in the Android world. First and foremost, the Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a built-in S Pen stylus, a feature reminiscent of the now-defunct Galaxy Note series. This stylus isn't just a simple accessory, it's a powerful tool for digital artists and note-takers alike. But that's not all. The Galaxy S23 Ultra houses a camera setup that's nothing short of extraordinary. With its remarkable zoom capabilities, it opens up a world of creative possibilities. The phone features a 10 times optical zoom, allowing you to capture intricate details from a distance, and it even extends further with an incredible 100 times digital zoom. So, who is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra perfect for? Well, if you're an artist looking for a digital drawing platform or a photographer who frequently works at telephoto distances, this phone is tailored to meet your needs. Its S Pen and powerful camera are a match made in smartphone heaven. The price is $1,199 on Samsung.com. Moving on to our next Android alternative, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a device that's been turning heads with its unique design and incredible versatility. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is all about that foldable design, and it's a game changer. With its innovative foldable screen, this phone offers a whole new level of versatility that's hard to match. One of the standout features of the Z Fold 5 is its multitasking capabilities. Whether you're juggling multiple apps or using it for productivity, this phone can handle it all. It's like having a phone and a tablet in one compact package. But the Z Fold 5 doesn't stop there. It supports the S Pen, just like the Galaxy S23 Ultra we discussed earlier. So not only can you multitask, but you can also unleash your creativity with the S Pen, making it a fantastic tool for note-taking, sketching, or just doodling. And let's not forget about performance. The Z Fold 5 is powered by a high-performance processor that ensures smooth and snappy operations. Whether you're using it for work or play, this phone can keep up. But what truly sets the Z Fold 5 apart is its potential to replace not just your phone, but your tablet, and in some cases, even your laptop. It's a versatile, all-in-one solution, making it a game changer for those who need a single device to handle it all. So if you're looking for a device that offers ultimate versatility, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 might be the answer to your tech dreams. The price ranges from $1,619.99 on Amazon to $1,799.99 on Samsung. Now let's transition to a more budget-friendly alternative, the Google Pixel 7a. If you're looking for an Android phone that offers simplicity, reliability, and capable cameras without breaking the bank, this might be the one for you. The Google Pixel 7a is all about Google's clean and efficient software. It's the choice of the Techno Elite for its speed, elegance, and simplicity. But what sets this phone apart is Google's commitment to prompt Android updates, often making it one of the first to receive the latest enhancements and security patches. If you appreciate a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to your smartphone experience, the Pixel 7a is an excellent choice. It might not have the flashiest design, but it's what's on the inside that counts. But let's talk about what makes the Pixel 7a truly shine: its cameras. Despite its budget-friendly price, this phone offers a capable camera setup. Google's expertise in AI and computational photography means you'll be capturing stunning photos and videos without the need for complicated settings. So if you're someone whose taste exceeds their budget, the Google Pixel 7a could be the answer. It combines the elegance of clean software, prompt updates, and dependable camera performance. The price is $449 on Amazon. Our next Android alternative is the Google Pixel 8. If you're looking for a well-balanced, mid-priced Android iPhone, this one has a lot to offer. The Google Pixel 8 strikes the perfect balance between power, connectivity, and affordability among Android phones. It features an excellent dual-camera setup that's enhanced by a host of AI-powered editing features. Whether you're snapping photos or shooting videos, this phone has your back. Not only does the Pixel 8 excel in the camera department, but it also sports a bright OLED screen and a smooth Tensor G3 processor. This combination makes it a fantastic choice for those who appreciate top-notch performance and display quality. But here's the real kicker. Google is committed to 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 8. This means you'll have the latest Android features and security enhancements for an extended period, making it an excellent long-term investment. So if you're looking for a high-quality Android phone at a competitive price, the Google Pixel 8 is a no-brainer choice. It's the best of both worlds. The price is $699 on Amazon. And now we move on to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, an exceptional mid-range phone that offers excellent value for your money. Featuring a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus delivers an outstanding visual experience. It's a bit smaller than the Xiaomi 13 Pro, but still offers a crisp and vibrant display, and it even has a headphone jack. In terms of performance, this device strikes a perfect balance. Whether you're working, browsing the web, or gaming, the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor keeps things smooth and efficient. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is well equipped with a hefty 5000 mAh battery and supports 120-watt ultra-fast wired charging, ensuring your device stays powered up. Although it doesn't have wireless charging, the fast wired charging more than compensates for it. But what really stands out is this phone's camera. It features a remarkable 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL sensor, making it the first mid-range phone with such a high-resolution camera. This translates to stunning daytime photography. While the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens and 16-megapixel selfie camera are standard for mid-range phones, it's the main camera that steals the show. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is a fantastic mid-range phone that offers tremendous value. While it may have some software limitations and it isn't a high-end flagship, it's well suited for your day-to-day needs. If you're seeking a mid-range phone with an exceptional camera and a great display, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus is definitely worth considering. You can find it at a competitive price, providing a lot of bang for your buck. Let's recap the Android alternatives we've explored today, each offering its unique set of features and advantages. We started with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a powerhouse with an S Pen stylus and remarkable camera capabilities, perfect for artists and photographers. Next, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 showed us the future with its foldable design, multitasking abilities, and the promise to replace your phone, tablet, and even laptop. The Google Pixel 7a stepped in as a budget-friendly choice, offering clean software, prompt updates, and capable cameras, perfect for those who appreciate simplicity and reliability. Then, the Google Pixel 8 proved to be a well-balanced mid-priced option with AI-enhancing camera features, a quality build, and a remarkable commitment to 7 years of software updates. And finally, the Google Pixel 8 Pro wowed us with the advanced camera and video capabilities, exclusive assistant features, and the promise of long-term software support for photography enthusiasts. With all these fantastic alternatives, there's something for everyone. It's all about choosing the right phone based on your specific needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this Android adventure. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your tech-savvy friends. Stay tuned because we've got more exciting tech topics and in-depth reviews coming your way. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology. Take care, and we'll catch you in our next video.